Hey, what's up, Polygon holders? The very huge and very big pump is coming soon of Polygon, my friend. But when and absolutely, my friend, how? Let's get started, my friend. In this video, we will completely discuss about this, my friend. But I also predicate, I also share my opinion. So everything is going to be very important for all Polygon holder. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent interested videos now, my friend. Minus 22.22%, the price will decrease now, so that's a very bad news for all of you. But don't worry, my friends, when a coin war fails down for a short time, so definitely after a short fails, definitely they will take a very huge jump and completely go in the moon now. So I am 100% sure Polygon holders today will also take a very huge jump in upcoming days, but this is just an only possible if a holder are stop selling, if a holder are starting, and my friends, more and more investing. So therefore this is possible. Otherwise, my friend, this is impossible. They will just only wake up and get a profit. Polygon holder, my opinion, my advice for all of you, remember this is not a financial video. A lot of holder also, my friends, comment me, do you or make financial video, this is not a good coin, this is fake coin, this is, my friends, absolutely you are wrong, my friend. I cannot make a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, kindly try to understand. And definitely Polygon is one of the unique and one of the real and one of the good coin, my friends, to the price will increasing. And I also invest now, so therefore I suggest you, I advise you, for all of you, to, if you want to earn money now, Polygon is one of the good option. Otherwise, you please research personally. Don't take any decision after watching my video. Please research personally. All right, so thank you so much, my brothers. Polygon price will be increasing in upcoming time. There is a 100% chance, because I will give you 200% guarantee, my friend, to in the last 10 days of this month they will completely go in the moon now. So therefore absolutely, my friend, at the end of month every coin will move upwards. So therefore I will notify you to please hold it now, and if you want to invest more, invest now. This is very good time because the price is very cheap now. Thanks for watching, my Polygon holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.